Hi, my name is Leigh Ankrum, and I have an institute called Ankrum Institute here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's an institute of advanced bodywork, and the focus or the thrust of my institute is to help people, teach people how to find the core issues that are happening that create pain patterns in the body. It is a deep and wondrous sort of subject. I have developed, outside of my 2-year training program, some workshops to introduce people to some of these kinds of concepts. The workshop that I'll be doing down in Dallas is a 1-day workshop, both on the respiratory and pelvic diaphragm. Now that sounds pretty simple, but in actuality you're going to be learning how to release the respiratory diaphragm in ways that you have not seen before, and the pelvic diaphragm. And plus we're going to be looking at the organs that are both in both of these areas and how they relate to some of this dysfunction. The respiratory and pelvic diaphragm actually connect. They are a connected thing by fascia, and you'll learn about that. And also how is some of this organ dysfunction related to low back pain, incontinence, can't take deep breaths, ringing in the ear. And although we will not specifically be working on ringing in the ear, we'll be working on some of the core issues that can create those kinds of things, for example. So we will be working on these releases in each of the areas, some of them fascial, some of them muscular, and definitely doing a couple of organ releases in order to get these areas so that there's a mobility and a movement within them. I do hope to see you there. Thanks, Leigh Ankrum here.